What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So what do you do when you feel like pancakes but you don't feel like standing over a frying pan all morning long? Try my pancake tray bake. Let's get started. So these take no time at all. I've already started the oven. It's been preheated to 350 degrees. This whole process is gonna take like 2 minutes. So to save time and to save effort at the end, I'm only using one bowl. So we're gonna start with the wet ingredients. Add the milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever you want. Then the melted butter, the vanilla extract, and an egg. And put that right in there. C'est bon. Okay. Whisk this up really quick. Incorporate everything. All right, that's good. We're gonna move on to the dry. So with the dry, I've got my sift here. We're gonna add the flour. See, this is super quick. I mean, the morning time, you just wanna eat, right? Cinnamon, flour, baking powder, and the salt. Sift that into your wet. And then mix it all together. Once this is fully incorporated, stop. Don't mix anymore. Leave it as is. It will be perfect. So I have lightly greased a tray here. You can use like a cookie sheet if it's got a high rim around its corners. I don't have one of those, so I'm using this, but the whole purpose of it is that you're baking something really quick and easy, so you're gonna cover a large surface, right? So this has been lightly greased and I put some flour in just to help. You don't have to do that. You can actually use parchment paper as well. And then we're just going to pour it out. So it's kind of like a cake, but when you eat it, you gotta remember, these are pancakes. It's fantastic. All right, so just spread that to the four corners of the tray. But that's not all. So to add a little dimension to your pancakes, I've got some blueberry compote here. And what you're gonna do is add dollops of it all over the tray, right? Then you're gonna take something like chopsticks or something thin. And you're just going to swirl that all around. Okay, so that's all there is to it. This is going to go into the oven for about 15 minutes, super quick, and then that's it, time to eat.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It's light, it's fluffy, it's a pancake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. Okay guys, I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.